Today, I am reviewing QIXZOCV 55-inch 4K interactive smartboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The QIXZOCV 55-inch 4K interactive smartboard is a powerful, all-in-one digital solution designed to transform the way we teach, collaborate, and work. Whether it's in a classroom, a business office, a training center, or a home workspace, this smartboard delivers exceptional performance and unmatched versatility. From its stunning 4K ultra-high-definition display to its advanced 20-point touchscreen capabilities, the QIXZOCV smartboard redefines what a whiteboard can do. First and foremost, the display is breathtaking. With 4K UHD resolution and a glossy anti-glare screen, it delivers crystal-clear visuals that make text sharp, images vibrant, and videos incredibly detailed. Whether you are presenting lesson plans, sharing multimedia content, or conducting a training session, the clarity and precision elevate the experience. The 20-point touch technology takes interactivity to a whole new level. Multiple users can write, draw, annotate, and interact with the board at the same time, with extremely low latency and pinpoint accuracy. It truly feels like writing on real paper, but with the power of digital tools. What makes this smartboard exceptional is its all-in-one design. It is not just a screen. It integrates a built-in computer with Android 13, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage. This means there's no need for external PCs or projectors. The powerful onboard processor runs apps smoothly, whether it's educational tools, video conferencing apps, or productivity suites. Teachers, presenters, and professionals will find this feature especially useful. You can download apps directly from the Google Play Store, making the device highly adaptable to different needs. The QIXZOCV smartboard also excels in connectivity. It offers wired and wireless screen sharing so you can mirror your laptop, tablet, or smartphone effortlessly. Miracast, AirPlay, HDMI, and USB-C connections ensure compatibility with any device. The split-screen function is a game-changer. It allows you to display up to 4 sources simultaneously. This feature is perfect for collaborative work, lesson comparisons, or analyzing multiple documents side by side. In today's remote working and learning world, video conferencing is essential, and the QIXZOCV smartboard delivers. It comes with a 13MP autofocus camera, an 8-array microphone, and dual 20W speakers, providing clear video and crisp audio for meetings, lessons, or virtual collaborations. Whether you are conducting a hybrid class or hosting an international conference, this board turns your room into a professional-grade video conferencing hub. Another great advantage is the open app ecosystem and cloud integration. With Android 13, the board supports millions of apps, enabling flexibility for educators and professionals alike. Cloud storage integration through Google Drive or OneDrive means your work and annotations are always accessible from anywhere, ensuring efficiency and convenience. The QIXZOCV smartboard is designed with versatility in mind. It suits classrooms perfectly, offering interactive learning and engaging group activities. In offices, it streamlines meetings with annotation tools and efficient presentations. Training centers benefit from its collaborative capabilities, while home users can use it as a powerful entertainment and productivity tool. With its included wall mount and sleek design, it's ready to enhance your space right away. Finally, QIXZOCV backs this smartboard with dedicated online support. Their responsive customer service ensures a smooth setup and long-term satisfaction, making this a reliable investment for any environment. Overall, the QIXZOCV 55-inch smartboard delivers exceptional quality, performance, and versatility. It's more than just a whiteboard. It's a complete interactive solution designed for modern education, collaboration, and productivity. If you want to upgrade your classroom, boardroom, or workspace, this smartboard is a top-tier choice.